So you're eager to improve your website's ranking on search engines like Google. Probably. You're not alone. Many creators like yourself, like myself, we're all constantly looking for ways to climb the search engine ladder. So fortunately, I've got a valuable insight or two with actionable tips that can help you achieve quicker SEO. Because after all, who wants to wait months to see results? Not you, not me, no thanks. So quick wins in SEO. Here's a reality check. It's just ranking high on search engine results pages, SERPs. It's a goal that every website owner, everybody wants, and it typically takes a lot of time and effort. However, moving from page 3 to the top 3 hits on Google is actually easier than trying to leap from beyond page 100 to page 3. It's just a fact. So let's capitalize on what you already have, your already existing keywords that you might not even know that you're using. Here's how. You're going to start with Google Search Console. So before you embark on your SEO journey, ensure that you have this set up. It's free. Just do it. No excuses. This is a goldmine of keyword data. Here's what you can do with it. You can get keyword insights. Google Search Console allows you to see every keyword that your site ranks for. It's like peeking behind the SEO curtain. So you're going to discover what pages rank for which keywords and how many impressions and clicks those keywords generate. This data is pure gold. And did I mention that it's free? Once inside Google Search Console, you can export all of this data to analyze. You can put that keyword list into a spreadsheet, sort it by impressions, highlight the most promising, quote, quick win opportunities. And I recommend filtering the data to focus on keywords ranking between the 11th and 30th positions, because that way you're not going to be competing with those big giants that have impossible to conquer claim on page 1 from the get-go. It's unlikely. So doing it this way will get you more clicks, like guaranteed. The next step is to optimize your existing content with your results. When you have these quick win, if you will, keywords, it's time to optimize. It's where you include the keywords for title tag. It's like the headline of a book. So it's going to tell readers and search engines what your page is about. And you can incorporate your selected keywords naturally, keyword naturally, make it compelling and informative. And then your headers. So this might look like on the back end, H1, H2, H3, and you see that it changes the font sizes. This is actually also communicating structure to search engines. So when you structure your content, it's going to help both readers and search engines understand your content's hierarchy. And so when you use these keywords in headers where it's relevant, it makes it way more scannable and way more SEO friendly. Now, your keywords should definitely be integrated into it naturally. So you want to aim for a balance between readability and keyword optimization. I'm going to keep saying naturally incorporate it because we don't want to keyword stuff. It's a turnoff for both readers and for search engines. So remember that SEO, it's an ongoing process. And once you've optimized your existing content with these quick wins and keywords, you can keep monitoring your performance in Google Search Console. And as you climb the ranks, you'll see that patience and persistence, it has a huge payoff in the world of SEO. I have been chatting with people about this a lot in the midst of launching my full class on Skillshare, strategic SEO. I want to make sure that you have all the tools to succeed, and that is a breezy course, like super quick go-to start if you want an uncomplicated strategic approach with SEO. Small businesses, bloggers, anyone looking to boost online presence, it just takes the mystery out of SEO and puts the power in your hands. I talk about things like breaking down complexities just to make it straightforward, effortless strategies to dive into practical techniques that you would actually use today with no prior knowledge, on-page and off-page SEO, the basics of what that even means, use in social media, because we all need that, right? And then quick technical insights, blah, blah, blah. Basically, you're going to create content that ranks and craft that content to be content that search engines really love. And then you're going to be able to measure that data and then make quick tweaks. And once you have it formulated, once you have your SEO in place, it's so much easier to make these adjustments as you need. There's just no need for complex tools or advanced technical skills. I don't think I've been able to rank on page 1 without all of them. So it doesn't always mean starting from scratch. Summary on this is leveraging the keywords that you're already ranking for. It's optimizing your content. It's watching your SEO performance skyrocket. So just you don't need to consume a ton before you take action because you can unlock it right now. So dive in, have fun, take a significant step toward boosting your online visibility. And of course, come on over and watch the full class. I've linked it for you. I can't wait to help you more.